Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your e-commerce store with Norton, complete guide step by step clearly. Protecting your e-commerce store with Norton is essential for maintaining security and customer trust. Begin by choosing the right Norton product for your needs. Visit the Norton website to explore various plans suitable for e-commerce. Select a plan that offers comprehensive features like malware protection and secure payment processing. Once you've chosen a plan, click on the Purchase button and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. After creating your account, download the Norton software to your device. Start the installation process by opening the downloaded file. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, launch Norton and log in with your account credentials. Configure the settings based on your e-commerce platform requirements. Enable real-time protection to monitor for threats continuously. Set up a firewall to guard against unauthorized access to your store. Regularly update the Norton software to ensure you have the latest security features. Consider scheduling regular scans to detect and remove any malware. Implement additional features like phishing protection and VPN if available in your plan. Keep your website software and plugins up to date to minimize vulnerabilities. Educate your team about safe online practices to enhance security. Utilize two-factor authentication for added protection on your e-commerce platform. Regularly review your security settings to stay ahead of potential threats. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your e-commerce store with Norton. Ensure your customers feel safe when shopping, enhancing their overall experience. Regularly assess your security measures to adapt to evolving cyber threats. With these precautions in place, your e-commerce store will be well protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.